Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about array intersect function in Spark SQL. So why do we use array intersect function? So whenever there is a requirement that we need to create create an array list based on the two array list which has the common elements. So with the help of a array intersect, we can able to create it. So we can see this is the signature of array intersect function. It takes two argument. Both argument is of array type and it returns an array of element in the intersection of array 1 and array 2 without duplicates. So in this exercise, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this table. These are the attributes of the table. With the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert records in it. When record gets inserted, what I will going to do, I will going to write this query. What this query is doing, I am just creating a CTE. CTE is nothing but a temporary table. With the help of a collect list function, by taking all the data which is present in the AP salary, it will going to create a array list. And that array list will store in this column. Once this array list gets created, then what I am going to do, again I am just creating a CTE, and with the help of a array append function, I am by passing these two parameters. One is the array and another is the element. So what it will going to do, it will create one more array list by appending this element at the last of this list, and it will store in this column. Once this city gets created, so what I am going to do, I am just using this array intersect function and providing these two array lists which we have created, and it will going to return a array list of those elements which are intersection of both the array. Means both array elements have the same elements, or whatever the elements with matches in the both array list. This array intersect function will going to take all those elements and put into a array list. So now let's do this exercise in Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name this notebook as array intersect. To complete this exercise, we need one table and we need to insert some records in it. So we need to create two scripts. One is to create a table and one script which has a lot of insert statement. So I have already created it to save time. Let me copy this insert script for to create a table and let me run it. Spark will going to create this table. So the table has been created successfully. Now let's insert some records in that table. For this purpose, I have already created some insert statements. Let me copy the insert statement, paste in this command cell and run it. Spark will going to execute each and every insert statement one by one. It will going to take a couple of more minutes. So let's wait till each and every insert statements run successfully. Insert statements are executing and it is inserting records in the table. Let's wait. Okay, all insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's see the data. We can see these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now let's use array intersect function. But we know that array intersect function will going to take two parameters, and the both parameter is of array type column or array. But here we can see none of the column is of array type, or none of the column is storing data in the form of array. So let's create first array. So how we are going to create the array in a Spark SQL? So there's a two function. One is collect list and another is collect set. So we are going to use collect set to create a array list. Collect set. So what it will going to do? This collect set function will going to take all the records which is present in the AP salary column and convert into an array list. And this collect set will going not, it will only include the unique records. So all the unique records which is present in this AP salary will be present as an element in the array list, which is going to create with the help of this collect set function. Let give the alias as AP salary list. Let me run it. Okay, so these are the three records, three elements which present in this array list. But in the AP salary, there are 50 records. But as I mentioned, that collect set function will going to remove the duplicates, and it will going to create a list which stores only unique element based on the data which is present in this AP salary column. Let's put this select statement in a city. Let me format it again so that the query will be more visible. Now let's run it. It is generating the same records, but the array list function will going to take two parameters. Both parameters are array, but here we have created only one array type column. Now let's create another one. So let me put this in another city. Let's create another array with the help of array append function. It will going to take two arguments. One is the list and one is the element which we want to append. So this is the data which going to append at the last position of this list with the help of this array append function. And let me give a alias. Now let me select this column as well. Let me run it. We can see now two columns are there. Both columns are of array type. So this we have created with the help of a collect set function, and this array, this array type column we have created with the help of an array append function. Now let me copy this query and let's use array intersect function. Let's use array intersect function here. Array intersect, it will going to take two arguments and both are of array type. So it will going to return the intersection of the elements which is present in these two array, and it will create a array list. Let me run it. Okay, so for the more visibility, let me select this array type column as well. Let me format this command cell again. Okay, now let me run it. So here we can see this is the array list which we have created with the help of a collected function. This is the array list which we have created with the help of an array append function, and this is the array list which has been created with the help of an array intersect function. So how the data is populating in this array in this column? It is populating with the help of an array insert function by taking two parameters. Both parameters are of list type, and it will going to see which elements are present in both the array, and it will put into a separate array list. So this is the array list which gets generated with the help of an array intersect function, and it has a 3 records which is present in the both array. So in this video we have seen how we can use array intersect function in a Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.